Hello, my name is Fanny. Today we are diving into one of the most useful functions in Excel, named VLOOKUP. If you ever worked with a large dataset and needed to quickly find specific information, then this function is a game changer. In this video, I'll explain what VLOOKUP is, why it's important, and how you can use it to save time and work more efficiently in Excel. Whether you were managing employee records, product lists, or financial data, VLOOKUP can help you search and retrieve value in few seconds. By the end of this video, you will not only understand how VLOOKUP works, but also be able to apply it in your real-world scenarios. So let's get started. What VLOOKUP is? Before we jump into example, let's first understand what VLOOKUP is. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It's a function in Excel that allows you to search for a specific value in one column and return corresponding value from another column in the same row. The general formula for VLOOKUP looks like this. When we write function in Excel, it always starts by equal, then you write the equal, then the name of the function you will use. Here we will use VLOOKUP, then start your function from VLOOKUP, then open the parentheses, write the lookup value, refers to the value you are searching for, then semicolon, table array, the range of data where you want to search, semicolon, column index number, the column number from which to retrieve the data, semicolon. The last one is the range lookup, true for an approximated match, false for an exact match. Now that we understand what VLOOKUP is, let's talk about why we use it. VLOOKUP is one of the most powerful tools in Excel, especially when dealing with large datasets. Here's why. Saves time. Instead of manually searching for value, Excel finds them instantly. Reduce error. Automates data retrieval. Reducing mistake in manual lookup. Common in the data analysis. Used in finance, HR, sales, and inventory management. Works with large datasets. Help you quickly retrieve information without scrolling through 100 rows. Now, let's see how we can apply this function with a real example. Okay, now we use the example. As I explained yet, VLOOKUP function helps you to look up for a value automatically instead of scrolling through that. If someone gives you this number, can you help me to search for the number of this employee into this table? We don't need to scroll this like this, just to look up, verify the number little by little. But Excel have this function to help you automatically search for this value. Like this, we have this number idea, and we want to look this idea from this table. So we can use the VLOOKUP function. As I said, when we start using function in Excel, it always, not only function, but formula in Excel, it always start by equal. So start by equal. Then write the name of the function you want to use. It's VLOOKUP. What? It's VLOOKUP. Then the parenthesis open. It indicates already the formula you should write. So the lookup value is refers to the value which you want to search. So I want to search this value, so I click on this semicolon. Then the table array. The table array refers to the table where we want to search this value. So this table. So when you select this table, we must click F-cut. When you have this dollar like this, it's okay. Then semicolon. We click on F-cut. F4. Then the number of the column index number is the number of the column where we want to search into this table. It is, for example, if you want to look up for the name, we can use the name is in the third column. Name. Then the last one is the range lookup. It will be true if it's an approximate match. It is false if it's an exact match, or we want exact match, so we write false. Then the parenthesis close. Click enter. Then it gives us the name we want. If we want to search for the address of these people, we can use this formula just to only change the number of the column, because we use address, then address is the fourth column, so we write 4, then enter, then it gives us the address we want. Okay, so we should not need this before. Okay, so now we change this to 3. Now it works. Okay, so if people ask you that they want you to look from this information, like they give you this information and want you to search this information, like to verify this information into database, something like this, like this database is contained of many data, and we want to look up from all this information to verify if it exists, or if you want to treat something, like you want to verify it into this many data. So you can't use this formula step by step. It will take your time, it will waste your time, but VLOOKUP has another function to do that too. So we will look how it works. Then in this example, as we want to search here, we want to use here, because this is where we want to use this data. Is we want to search for this, but first of using this, you need to create a new column here, then write yes. It will help you, instead of writing this number here, we just create a new column to identify, to reverse all of the exist data here by yes. All yes is data exists here, so you want to look it here. Okay, now we will start by equal, then write the name of the function VLOOKUP, then open the parentheses. The lookup value refers to the value we will look for here. Then the table array is on the second sheet here. The table array is here. After selecting this, click on F4. when the data is become dollar like this, it's okay. After that, we want to verify all the yes value. So the yes value in the second column, called index number, is 2. Then we use false exact match, false. Then close the parentheses, click 2. Then this non-function NR, this NR is showed that this function, this ID number is not exist here. It's not exist here. But if we click on this, then it shows all the yes is exist. All the yes is yes here, and the non is not value exist here. We can filter the data. We can show only the yes number. So now the yes is here. So if people ask you to verify something for many data, we can't do this as I showed you. Yes, but we can apply this function. And that is it. Now you know what VLOOKUP is, why it's useful, and how to apply it in Excel. I hope this tutorial helps you. If you found it useful, keep watching for more Excel tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye.